In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can use the Rotate Object option in Adobe Photoshop to give your objects another rotation so they fit better in your composition. So I have these two bunnies here. I will use the bottom one as a reference. This is how it was before, and I will use the top one to examine the rotate object. But first I'm going to select that and then choose remove background, so we don't have a background with our bunnies. Now the background has been removed. We have two bunnies. Let's put them here. And then with these bunnies selected, you can go to Edit, and in Edit you can choose to rotate your object. Now Photoshop is preparing to make a rotatable object for you. And this is where you can choose to rotate them. So we press rotate here, and then we can turn either clockwise or counterclockwise. Now, seeing our desk is more to the right, we can rotate them like this. We can still move them. We can also tilt them, but I don't think that's necessary. Maybe something like this. And then when you're happy, you press done. And as you can see, now Photoshop is enhancing our rotated image. And you can see now that this image has been rotated. You can still edit the rotation if you want to. This was how they looked before. This is how they look now. You can also still make them smaller. That's no issue. And if you want to make it complete, you can choose to harmonize them so they fit with your background even more. But that's something else entirely that doesn't need to be done when you use the rotate image or object option. But yeah, this is the rotate object option in Adobe Photoshop, which lets you rotate your objects to fit your composition. And as you can see, before they looked straight at you, and afterwards they look towards the right. But that's how you can use the rotate object in Adobe Photoshop. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.